Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi 9T. I purchased this phone for 62,000 PKR, which is around $395. So this is not a cheap phone. It lies in the mid-range category, but it's still close to the flagship phones in terms of specifications. So let's open this thing and have a first look at the device. You can see just a notchless display with a pop-up camera up front. It's a 6GB 128GB variant. Alright, so this small box must contain the usual stuff. Yes, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a black case. A nice case with MI branding. Alright, so this feels really high quality right away. We'll keep it aside for a moment. Let's check out the rest of the stuff that we get in the box. USB Type-C cable, (18 watts) fast charger. No headphones sadly, but this phone has a headphone jack, which is good to have these days. So let's do my favorite part of the smartphone unboxing, peeling the plastic off the phone. Let me tell you, this doesn't feel like a $400 phone. It's got some weight to it, and I guess it's because it's got huge 4000 mAh battery. That should be enough for over a day battery life. It's a premium looking phone. You can see almost no bezels, just a tiny little chin. And on the bottom it's got a speaker grill, USB Type-C port and SIM tray. It's a dual SIM phone with sadly no expandable storage option. And I really like this red power button. Would have been better with texture on it, but it looks really good. Left side is totally clean. So let's turn this phone on and see how the display looks like. Okay, so it's got really bright 6.4 inches notchless AMOLED panel with a 20 megapixels pop-up camera up top. The moving component is definitely less reliable, but for a user like me who don't take much selfies, it's no big deal. It's got in-display fingerprint scanner, which I always find slow compared to the normal scanners. Also, it's got 48 megapixels main shooter with 8 megapixel telephoto lens that gives you 2x optical zoom and 13 megapixels ultra wide lens. So it's loaded with the modern smartphone features. I have yet to test out the performance of this phone, and if you want to see a full review of this phone, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.